guys, welcome back to another video. Today guys, I'm gonna be making a detox drink with watermelon and some mint. So guys, these mint are freshly picked from my garden, and this combination together is so good guys. It's a very healthy detox for our body. So guys, I am going to just rinse my mint off. Even though the rain just fall and it's freshly picked, I'm gonna rinse my mint off, and I'm gonna wash my lemon and take this paper off. So let's get into the video. Let me go and wash my mint. So guys, as for my watermelon, I'm taking this plastic off, and I'm just gonna hold it like this and just run the pipe on the outer skin just to give it a small wash. So guys, I've washed the outer skin of the watermelon, and I am gonna just start to slice it. Or if I have a watermelon slicer, but I will use that in another video. Actually, I should show you how it works. Let me see if I can find it. This watermelon is so thick, so let me see if I can find that watermelon slicer and show you how it works. So guys, I found the watermelon slicer and I washed it. So I'm just gonna cut this up in straight pieces. And toss them in my bowl. So the reason why I cut them like this, to put them in the juicer straight way, so it's easier for them to go through. So I'm just gonna show you guys how the watermelon slicer works. It works like this. You push it down, and then you pull it out like this. Just like that. But however, today I am just gonna make some juice, so I am not gonna use the slicer for that reason. This is for when you're serving your guests watermelon and you want them to just pick up a slice and eat it without the skin. So, and guys, I just taste the melon. It is so sweet. I cannot believe how sweet this is. So this is what I'm gonna just add to the drink. And these are looking this shape like a little bunny rabbit. I think I might use it for decoration with the drink. So I'll put it aside. And here is my mint. So I'm just gonna put the mint in the juicer just like this. So guys, I'm gonna clean up and then bring the juicer out and just start to make the juice. So guys, I've started to put the melon in my juicer. So guys, here you have, I start putting in the melon and the juice is going into the juicing bowl. So nice. And the Revolution whip, that's the little piece that you see inside, is helping to mix everything together. Look how lovely this looks, guys. So guys, watermelon contains citrulline that helps to improve liver function and flush out any bad things from the body. So guys, here I'm adding my fresh mint, and when it goes down into the mixing bowl, everything will incorporate and you will have such a refreshing, nice detox drink to detox your body. This drink will also help to fight the free radicals in our body, guys. So hope everyone will try this drink. Guys, I can't wait to taste. It's the aroma of the mint. It's smelling so good. So guys, check the color out of the drink. Look how beautiful this is. So guys, I am about to let out my first batch, but I'm putting a piece of lemon in. So guys, mint is a herb. When you add it to a drink like the watermelon, it is so refreshing. So guys, subscribe for more and give me a thumbs up. So guys, I'm gonna let out my first batch of melon and mint detox drink. And I'm gonna make a second batch, guys. So guys, I'm going to add a strawberry to it, just one strawberry. So I'm gonna pop this in the juicer. So guys, let me start adding my watermelon and all the leftover that I have in my bowl. I'll have to cut that piece, the first piece that I was putting in the, I'm gonna add the strawberries now. Just one strawberry to give it an extra kick with the color. And guys, as for the mint, it boosts your immune system also and help with brain function, reduce cold symptoms, keep your mouth healthy, and help to manage stress. So who wouldn't want to have a drink like this, or who wouldn't want to try it? So guys, I want you all to Google the mint. Mint has a lot of benefit. Mint help with obesity and a lot of things. It's an anti-diabetic. That same plant, the mint that I'm telling you about, it's so good, guys. It is so good. You know, in Jamaica we drink mint tea. My grandmother and my grandfather usually drink mint every morning, and that is why I plant the mint around my backyard, because I like to have mint tea most mornings. So guys, my second batch of juice is almost ready to serve. So everything is looking beautiful and I can't wait to have this drink with my dinner. And guys, did you know that mint helps to burn belly fat? So this drink is good for a lot of things. And as I said before, hope you guys will Google it, look up the benefit, and try and make this drink. Even 2 times a week is good. Because we eat so much trash at it, sometimes we need to detox. Guys, this is my second batch of drink. Melon, mint, and strawberry detox drink. I will list things down in the description box for you guys, so you can read up and you can Google it if you want. So let's get into the sharing of this melon, mint, strawberry detox drink. If you didn't already know, watermelon helps to flush out a lot of toxins from the body. It is also great for fat loss and overall immune function. So I hope you guys will try this detox drink. The mint is a plus. That's the difference between a normal watermelon drink, but the mint and the watermelon make a lovely detox, guys. So guys, I am decorating. That's not a big thing this week, but so let's get into the serving of the drink. And you can trust me, the mint smell is so nice. It smells so refreshing. This is so good to have on a hot summer day, guys. These cover, I have them first. This is the first set of cups that I buy for my channel. I have these over the 3 years, you know. So guys, subscribe to the channel for more. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, guys. Share with a friend. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend, guys, and I hope you all will try this detox drink. Bye for now.